Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app installed and signed in. Do that now. Open Notice Save, create your account, and enable two-step verification so your notices stay secure. Grant the app notification and folder access so it can capture incoming notices automatically. This is why you allow those permissions. Once done, pick a default save location and enable autosave so the app can process items without asking each time. This immediate setup prevents lost notices and speeds every later step. Now you focus on capturing and organizing notices efficiently. Let auto capture run so emails, PDF, and screenshots land in the app. When needed, manually import items with drag and drop. Tag each notice with categories, set urgency flags, and assign folders to make retrieval fast. This is how you prioritize. Make smart rules for recurring patterns and use bulk actions to tag or archive dozens at once. As you work, rely on the built-in search and filters to find items by tag, date, or keyword. Finish by reviewing saved notices and marking them resolved or follow-up. Export summaries to PDF or CSV for filing, and schedule reminders so nothing slips. Then sync to all devices and back up to cloud storage for redundancy. If something goes wrong, say capture stop. You likely need to check permissions first, then notification settings, and finally reconnect any linked accounts. These steps fix most issues. Make sure to rerun a quick capture test after each fix so you confirm the system works end-to-end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.